I'm in it right now. This part is dark. I don't see the full path. I don't have clear answers yet. Things feel tight. Things feel uncertain. I feel the pressure around me. I feel the weight of this moment. It's not comfortable here. It's not easy here. This is the tunnel. This is the part people don't see. This is where it gets real. This is where it gets quiet. I stay here. I keep moving. I don't stop in the dark. I take one step forward. Then another. I don't rush. I don't freeze. I stay in motion. I keep going anyway, even when it's slow, even when it's heavy. I stay with the process. I don't quit midway. I don't turn back. I stay facing forward. I keep my direction clear. I move through it. I stay calm inside the dark. I control my breathing. I slow things down. I don't panic here. Fear is present, but it doesn't lead me. I stay with what's real. I focus on the next step. I stay present. I stay aware. I don't lose myself here. I keep my thoughts steady. I keep my mind clear. I stay grounded in reality. I stay composed. I stay centered. I stay in control. I handle what's in front of me. I take it one piece at a time. I carry what's mine. I don't drop responsibility. I don't avoid pressure. I face it directly. I make the next move. I take action, even here. I adjust when needed. I stay controlled when life gets hard. I respond, not react. I keep control of my actions. I stay responsible. I stay grounded in effort. I stay with the work. I am someone who moves through the tunnel. I don't stop when it gets dark. I don't break in this phase. I don't disappear under pressure. I stay present. I stay steady. I hold myself together. I don't need light to move. I don't need perfect conditions. I move anyway. I trust my steps. I trust my ability to handle this. I've been through hard before. I move through this too. I stay in it until I'm out.